Hi. My son and I wanted to show you how to put one of the pterodactyl in a giant smasher egg together. That's his idea.
Yeah.
And although we already opened it, did you have fun playing with it?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's fun. So let's put it together and then. It's gonna say all these eggs. You get tons of different little eggs. You get this pterodactyl separated into gooey stuff, fake snow. It's got all sorts of. It's the Ice Age giant egg smasher. It's tons of fun, and so far, he had a lot of fun.
Yeah.
And I think you.
Okay. Yeah.
No, you had it right.
It's tons of fun. It's tons of fun. Okay. It's tons of fun.
Yeah.
And this is the smash egg, and my brother with my mom, they're just inside, just somewhere. But let me show you. I'm already almost finished. Oh, one of the pieces fell. Sorry.
Okay, it's okay. You can take your time.
Okay. So.
If you need help, just let me know.
Daddy, can you help me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So I think this over here, you had it the wrong way.
Okay.
So what you do is it snaps like this, and it's from the outside.
Okay. So don't mind the bad things, but
it's okay, Henry.
Just look at this.
Okay.
So now we put together the wings. So we put them right like this.
No, you got it backwards.
Okay. We actually put them like this. Okay. Oh, it's hard. It's actually hard. Okay.
Yeah, no, that's good.
Okay, one wing put together.
And I'm gonna put the wing on the actual pterodactyl.
Yes,
okay?
My dad is gonna put it on the pterodactyl.
These are actually a lot bigger than I thought they would be. And they actually are pretty nice. Do you have the tail, or we haven't had the tail?
Where is the tail? I just have to get off this video for a second. I have to get the tail. Okay. It's right here.
Okay. So now we put the tail, and there's a little groove that you can use over there.
Cool.
And then you turn them, and it snaps together. So at the end,
that's how you do it.
The pterodactyl.
Yeah,
so,
I'm gonna get you people. And bye.
So you had fun, eh?
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye. Yeah.